Today's featured car of the day is a 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle SS454 LS6 with M22 Rock Crusher 4-speed transmission. And this one I recorded at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California. And I'll read you what the seller's listing was for it, the comments. Seller stated, "This restored 1970 Chevelle SS is finished in original black cherry paint. It's powered by our CRV coated LS6 454 cubic inch V8 big block engine, paired with an M22 Rock Crusher 4-speed manual transmission and a 12-bolt rear end. The Chevelle has approximately 1,500 miles since completion. Everything inside and out has received the attention it needed and has been replaced with genuine OEM parts. It features a working cowl induction hood and rides on rally wheels wrapped in bias ply tires. The original factory build sheet is included." And with that description and what you see in the pictures in the video, the car sold for $87,000. And a few things that were left out of his description, which might have something bearing on the price. He never mentioned if it was matching numbers or not. So normally when they don't mention it, you assume that it isn't. And then also didn't mention what size rear end. Never mentioned the mileage on the car. Looking in the video, unfortunately, I lost my pictures got corrupted, so I lost them. But the dash shows it's either 30, 50, or 80,000 miles on the odometer. So I'm not exactly sure. The seller didn't state it. So, but this one was still a nice car. If it was, I noticed on his other sheet he mentioned that it was a rotisserie restoration. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel, Car Finder, with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.